happening, y'all? This is Gabe with Junction Auto Salon. I'm going to talk real quick. I'll try to keep it quick because Lord knows that if you get me started on something, I will bore you to death and I won't shut the hell up. We're going to talk about what ceramic coatings offer. We're going to talk about what ceramic coatings do and don't do. And we're going to talk about whether a ceramic coating is right for you and your car. So a ceramic coating is a form of protection that goes on top of the car, much like a wax, much like a sealant. It is just a long-term form of protection. What it does is it offers some ease of maintenance, so cleaning your car, maintaining the outside is a hell of a lot easier than a unprotected car. It preserves whatever level of paint correction you do underneath it, so your car stays in that particular condition for a long period of time. To break it down really simple, it's like every time you wash your car, it's like having a fresh coat of wax on it and you didn't have to put any wax on it. So they're glossy. Some of the advantages, they've got some self-cleaning abilities. They've got some mild scratch and swirl resistance. They've got UV resistance, so the paint, the color of the paint stays the color that it's supposed to be for a longer period of time. And there are some coatings that have some self-healing abilities. So there's quite a bit on the market for everybody to choose from. And they all have different hardness levels. They've all got different durations for how long they're supposed to last, as long as you take care of them. Now, some of the myths that I've heard from some of my customers is, will hail damage stop, will a ceramic coating stop hail damage? No. Will a ceramic coating help me if I get into a car accident or something like that? No. Car's gonna get crashed. No way around that. Will a ceramic coating stop rock chips? No. If something wants to get through, if something hits your car hard enough to chip the paint, it's going through the ceramic coating. There's just no way around it. Can a bird crap on my ceramic coating and me not have to ever worry about it? No. If I get a car ceramic coated, will I just never have to wash it again? No. The answer is still no. That's not how any of this works. Now, is a ceramic coating right for your car? That all depends on you and how you take care of your car. Regardless of the presence of a ceramic coating, you still have to wash your car. Whether you have nothing on the paint, whether you have wax on your paint, whether you have a sealant, whether you have a ceramic coating, whatever it is, it does not matter. You still have to clean your car. My recommendation personally is, if you are washing your car once to twice a month at the very least, a ceramic coating will be up your alley. It makes the car easy to take care of. The paint is very hydrophobic, so water beads up and comes right off. It can be very soft, it can be very supple feeling, and the ease of maintenance is just awesome. But if you're only washing your car every 3 months, every 6 months, once a year, yeah, ceramic coating may hold on for a little while, but it's not going to do what you want it to do, and eventually it will fail prematurely because of lack of care. It's just like anything else on a car. It requires some level of maintenance. You don't get to drive around with the same oil in your car for 100,000 miles. That's not how that works. So it still requires some form of maintenance, just like every other thing on your car, so you can maximize its longevity. So Can you take your car, a ceramic coated car, through a automatic car wash? Sure. You're going to wear that ceramic coating down prematurely. You still have the possibility of damaging this, even the ceramic coating. There's no telling what some of these places use for chemicals and soaps. There's no telling what some of these non-touchless car washes have buried in their drums and spinners and flappy arms, things that hit your car. That's all technical terms. Y'all may not understand flappy arms. So just wanted to kind of dispel some myths. I'm still going to make sure that my customers understand everything that they're going to get with a ceramic coating and how I recommend that you take care of them. Nobody has to wash their car once a week like I do with this dumb car behind me, the Rice Tard. That's not necessary. And you may get some kind of longevity out of just washing it once a year or once every 6 months, but it still needs to be taken care of more. Your paint by itself needs to be taken care of more often than every 6 months or once a year. So without really getting further into it and any technicalities, that's really it. You take care of your ceramic coated car, your ceramic coated car will take care of you. It's simple. So I'm gonna get back to work. See you guys next video. Peace out.